Hello everyone and welcome to our very first video. Today we're going to discuss the Bitcoin price up until December. So what exactly are we going to discuss in this video? We are going to talk about where are we standing at the 4-year cycle, where are we currently in the 65-day cycle, what are the short-term price targets for Bitcoin, and lastly, where and when can we expect a December bottom? Okay, so first of all, where are we in the 4-year cycle of Bitcoin? As you may know, a cycle consists of roughly 47 months to 49 months, which are roughly speaking 208 weeks. Now, currently we're at week 103, which means that we're actually halfway through the current cycle already, which means we have like roughly 2 more years to end this cycle. Now, the bottom of the previous cycle was here at this point, which was at the 21st of November 2022. So where are we currently standing in our short-term cycle, which roughly lasts 65 days? Now, currently we're at day 22, and the bottom was here at this point on 10 October 2022. This means that there are roughly 2 more weeks of upside potential before we can expect a correction. Now, why is that? The 65-day cycle lasts 65 days, and halfway point is usually the top, which means that we can expect the top around day 35. Now, this is usually a range from day 35 to day 50, but we can expect at least a top in about 2 weeks on average. Okay, so let's talk prices. So the blue ball are my eyes. I have an eye tracker, and I hope this will help you understand where I'm looking at when I want to find important targets on the chart. Usually you will find targets by looking at previous structure, which means that you should look at previous support and resistance. Now, I do see a lot of support around this level here, so we will draw a horizontal line right here. But as you may know, support and resistance levels are rarely just single lines, so we actually have to draw a zone. So we have like resistance here, old resistance becomes new support, which also becomes like support later and also becomes like resistance in the future. So here we have our zone, which is probably our first resistance zone that we'll meet. And you can actually expand the zone if you wanted to. It's not really necessary, but we also have support here, which was also made resistance in the future. So you can create several zones, but let's just focus on the first resistance zone here, which in my opinion is the most important one. So let's just draw a zone here and make it red to indicate its resistance. And this is where I expect the price to go to. Now, when can we expect that? Remember what I said, like roughly we can expect a new top like halfway around the new cycle. Now, I believe the cycle will end at the end of December, which is roughly after 70 days, right? So let's just first draw a support arrow. This is just by time, not really the place where we can expect the bottom, but just by time. And let's just measure the halfway point of this, which is roughly here around day 36, right? Which is where we can expect the next top. And now we know like when we can expect the next top, but also at what price point we can expect the next top, right? So the most likely outcome for Bitcoin till December is we're going to see some more upside potential, and then at the later stages we are going down. Now, where are we going down? Or where can we expect the bottom rather? I think that the old resistance will create new support. So I shall make this support. And why is this old resistance? We have made this resistance here all the way in May 2022. It was resistance in April 2023 and in July of the same year as well. Now we finally broke out of this structure, and that means that old resistance is ready to become new support. So also around this green arrow here is when and where we can expect a new bottom for Bitcoin. So this is the outlook till December for Bitcoin. So Thank you everyone for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more of these contents. Also, let me know in the comments what cryptocurrency I should cover in the next video. And until the next video.